Here you go, Bigsur59's box 1314, totally certified. Let's good luck to you, buddy. Alright, we got a rookie of Brendan Gallagher and a slideshow number to 100, Jamie Alexiak. Rookie for the Wild, Matt Dumba, and a rookie jersey autograph, Brian Flynn. Brian Flynn, rookie jersey auto. Platinum blue, numbered 43 of 50, Mike Fisher. Rookie of Quentin Howden. Autograph, Mikhail Granlund. And we got a two-color rookie roll call jersey prime, number 34 of 50, Ryan Murphy. Ryan Murphy, 34 of 50. And final pack for you, buddy. Has a mirror platinum red, number 22 of 25, Evander Kane. Rookie Jack Campbell. Rookie roll call jersey, Brendan Gallagher. Galacticer. And an Epics Blue dual jersey, number 21 of 50, Steven Stamkos. Steven Stamkos. So there we go, buddy.